Hello everybody, I'm Advocate Swapna Pramod Kode and today I shall be discussing about the Right to Information Act and how to use it. RTI stands for Right to Information. Right to information is a part of the fundamental rights under Article 19(1) of the Constitution. Article 19(1) states that every citizen has freedom of speech and expression. In Raj Narayan versus State of UP, it was laid down in 1976 by the Supreme Court in the case of Raj Narayan versus State of UP that people cannot speak or express themselves unless they know. Therefore, right to information is embedded in Article 19. In the same case, Supreme Court further said that India is a democracy. People are the masters. Therefore, the masters have a right to know how the governments are meant to serve them are functioning. Every taxpayer contributes to the economy of the country and has a right to know how his taxes were utilized. What rights are available under RTI Act 2005? Right to Information Act 2005 empowers every citizen to ask any questions from the government or seek information, take copies of any government documents, inspect any government works, take samples of materials of any government work. Right to Information Act does not give us any new right. It simply lays down the process on how to apply for information, where to apply the fees, etc. Right to Information Act 2005, which became effective on 13th October 2005, provides that machinery to do so. The Central RTI Act extends to the whole of India. All bodies which are constituted under the Constitution or under any law or under any government notification, or all bodies including NGOs which are owned, controlled or substantially financed by the government are covered under the said Act. All private bodies which are owned, controlled or substantially financed by the government are directly covered. Others are indirectly covered. That is, if a government department can access information from any private body under any other act, the citizen under the RTI Act through that government department can access the same. Public Information Officers, that is PIO. One or more existing officers in every government department has been designated as public information officers. These PIOs act like nodal officers. You have to file your applications with them. A PIO can refuse information on 11 subjects that are listed in Section 8 of the RTI Act. Fees. There is a nominal fee that is applicable to the information being sought. The fees differ from central government to state government. For central government departments, it is rupees 10. However, different states have prescribed different fees. Refusal. If the PIO or the concerned department does not accept one's application, one can send it by post. One should also make a formal complaint to the respective Information Commission under Section 18. The Information Commissioner has the power to impose a penalty of rupees 25,000 on the concerned officer who refused to accept your application. The amount fined is deposited in the government treasury. However, under Section 19, the applicant can seek compensation. Appeal. If one does not receive the information or is dissatisfied with the information received, one can file an appeal with the first appellate authority under Section 19 of the Right to Information Act. Since every public authority must designate a first appellate authority, the officer designated is the officer senior in rank to your PO. One can file the first appeal within 30 days of the receipt of the information or within 60 days of filing the RTI application if no information is received. There is no form for filing a first appeal, but some state governments have prescribed a form. Draft the appeal application on a blank sheet of paper addressed to the first appellate authority along with a copy of the original application and a copy of the reply in whatever form if received from the PIO. One is not required to pay any fee for the first appeal. However, some state governments have prescribed a fee, and if the same have been prescribed, then it is essential for the person to pay the same. Now let's see what is second appeal. If one does not receive information, Even after the first appeal, then one can take the matter forward to the second appeal stage. A second appeal is the last option under the RTI Act to get the information requested. One can file second appeal with the Information Commissioner. For appeals against central government department, one has CIC, that is a Central Information Commission. For every state government, there is a State Information Commissioner. One can file your second appeal within 90 days of the disposal of first appeal or within 90 days of the date by when the first appeal was to be decided. One is not required to pay any fee for the second appeal. However, again, some states government have prescribed a fee for the state appeal, and hence it would be essential and mandatory to pay the same. The full act in Hindi and English is available on the website of Department of Personnel and Training, that is www.persmin.nic.in, and on the RTI website. The link is mentioned below. The views expressed in this video are based upon my understanding of the laws of the country and are explained in a simpler manner so that the common people understand their rights and utilize the acts which are beneficial for them. The intention of the video is not to harm, insult, or criticize any living or dead. Do not forget to like, share, and comment on the video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Thank you.